A severe storm will hit New York State tomorrow, Saturday. Weather update according to global models. New York State will experience scattered rain, stretching north to Boston and south to Washington, D.C. This will be accompanied by an active weather disturbance causing a noticeable drop in temperatures, especially inland. Rain is also expected in Columbus, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia, with chances of localized heavy showers. Residents are advised to follow weather updates and take precautions while traveling, especially on slopes and highways. With clearer skies returning starting Sunday, conditions will gradually improve and temperatures will stabilize. Sparkles, don't forget to follow the channel for more weather updates. Thank you for watching.